Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this week's new releases. I am so excited because not only do we have the most beautiful foil bundle, but the new exclusive art is bomb.com. I did sneak it on Instagram on Friday and on Sunday, so let's go ahead and get into it. I have 10 new doodles. We have a foil bundle, 3 collections, 2 monthlies, and the color of the week. Really jumped around there, but y'all know what's up. I think my goal for future weeks is going to be trying to do 4 collections a week. I think that would be really, really fun since so much good art has been coming out that I've had to like push stuff, and I think I can do 4 a week in the shop since everything is pretty ahead as far as like mystery goes. So let's go into the color of the week, which is a brown. I think somebody actually commented last week and asked if brown was going to be a color soon, and it was already ready. And this is the normal 9 sheets, and this is available in the shop from Wednesday at noon Eastern until the end of Monday, and I usually take it down sometime Tuesday. So if you want last week's color and you're watching this on Monday, it usually is still available, and then it goes away for forever. So those are the 9 colors of the week. And also last week, a lot of y'all might have noticed I did add a buy all option. I don't know why I didn't have that before, and it is slightly discounted. So if you want to buy them all, which I know a lot of y'all do, you can do that very easily now. And then there is 10 new doodles this week. There was like a breakfast collection released from this artist who does the doodles, and I think probably the next 3 weeks, unless something else comes out that is like more pertinent, will all be breakfast themed items. So this is Fruit Loops. You have Lucky Charms. They're so cute. And I love cereal like a lot, and I don't just eat it for breakfast. Sometimes I'll just eat it when I don't want to eat something else. This one's Cocoa Puffs, or not Cocoa Puffs. This one is Cookie Crisp. This one's Cocoa Puffs. And then you have Corn Flakes, a breakfast sandwich, kind of like McDonald's looking, the McDonald's hash brown in the regular colorway, the McDonald's hash brown in the classic colorway, the croissant sandwich, which I just love croissant sandwiches, and then also peanut butter and jelly. So those are the 10 new doodles for this week. Then I have 3 monthlies, which I did change up the format a little bit, and I did sneak on Instagram a little bit ago, like doing a solid color monthly, and I do have those coming out as well, but I wanted to release these. These are like very popular collections, and I thought would make really cute monthlies for any time, or if you wanted to use them for like a specific occasion, like Mother's Day or like a birthday. But I thought these were really nice. So I did change up a couple of things, and let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. First thing that I did change up a little bit is the dates so that they kind of blended in a little bit more. So it's like an inverse. So there's the white, and then the day is actually just the like background. Does that make sense? I think it looks really cool and subtle. So that is the first kind of change. This is the Candyland A5 wide. I did change up this sheet to match the mini kit sheet since that was very similar to the mini kit sheet in the last format. You have the boxes page and the sidebar. So not a lot changed, but I think it turned out super, super cute. And that is the Candyland monthly in the A5 wide size. And then there is also the Candyland monthly in the B6 size. And these fit the Aura style monthlies, and then anything that says SPC version on the Print Passion site. If I remember, I will link them down below. And then I also have the Brunch monthly. Super cute. This was a top selling set so far this year for sure. So stinking cute. Again, all we changed on here was the dates and then the mini kit / labels page, since that is like updated in the new format, and then the mini version here. So those are 2 new monthlies for this week. There is a new foil bundle this week, which is so pretty, and I'm so excited because it is very, very usable and universal. And let me know what you plan on using it with down below. It is a mixed metal, gold and silver, and it is in the new shimmer format, which they're like little diamonds. So pretty with the silver and the gold. I love a good mixed metal moment. You have your 6 full boxes and your glitter header overlays, which you get 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the bougie boxes in the mixed metal. You have the icons and scripts in the mixed metal, as well as the bottom washi, which I love these bows in a mixed metal. It's just so good. The old bow used to be just like every other, and this one has like a very mixed vibe to it, and I'm just obsessed. So that will be available. And the foil bundle that's released every week is on special pricing for Wednesday through Monday like the Doodles are available. So that is the foil bundle for the week. And then let's get into the collections. And I'm going to show you my favorite first. And this has been in the works for a while, and I'm so excited for it. If y'all have caught on, I have been buying like overlays and underlays to match this set. Let me actually see if I have those somewhere close so I can show y'all the vibe. So there are these, which are from Planet Hannah, and it's the Flavor Town overlays. And then there's also these, which if you will notice on the bottom washi is the same like flame pattern. So I don't think these are available yet, but I think these are coming next month to Planet Hannah. So if you want some really cute overlays for these, or if you want to just do something like bougie box, like regular bougie box, I think black would be really cool with this, red would be really cool with this, gold hollow, orange, honestly, like any color. Like I think red would be really cool. I don't know. There's just so many options. Let me know what color you're going to use down below, because I still haven't made up my mind totally. I think gold hollow is what I'm going to do, but I'm not 100% sure, because sparkly red would be cool as well with like all the red and oranges, because like sparkly red usually has a little bit of that in there. But obviously this is like a Guy Fieri. I don't even think, that's not how you pronounce his last name, isn't it? I think I read on like one of those Facebook, like you're pronouncing celebrities' last names wrong. I think it's like Fieri. Is that right? Kit, and basically I just wanted to do like a bunch of food boxes, and I love the color vibes of this. I think this is a great like alternative Father's Day kit, or an alternative 4th of July kit, or an anytime kit. I think I'm actually going to use this for my BFF Bree's birthday week in August, because she loves Guy. She actually has a framed picture of Guy on her wall. It's like a really long inside joke with one of her other friends. Like they put it up on her wall, and now she just tells Denver that's like Uncle Guy, and tells everybody that they're related. But yeah, I think I'm going to use it for her birthday. But I don't know. There's a lot of options here. So you do have the Guy box with his flame shirt, and then him in like the intro of Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives in the red convertible, the Diners and Drive-Ins and Dives sign, a flat lay with a bunch of different foods, so yummy, and then a waffles, like chicken and waffles, and then like a really sloppy looking burger with some Coke in the back. Oh, it looks so good. The colors with this, I went very neutral with the pop of red, but there is an add-on for additional colors if you want to pull those in. A hand holding a taco, and then like a little breakfast flat lay with a cinnamon roll and like American breakfast. You have your half boxes page. Your half boxes page, your little things page, the solid page, the pattern page. I love these patterns like so much. And then you have like watching Flavor Town with the little flame socks, and then the double pattern washi, because I thought these patterns were so cool together. Again, I think like a red or like the gold hollow or an orange would look so cool on top of this. And then the extra boxes are the alternative skin tone options for the taco box. I've been really liking thinking a little bit more outside of the box. This is the mini kit with my themes this year. I don't know if I mentioned this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And I think I gained a little bit of confidence whenever the Labyrinth sold really, really well, because I was worried. I was like, does anybody actually like the Labyrinth besides me? But I have a lot of really cool themes coming this year that I think y'all will really like. So very excited for that one. Let me go through the add-on options for that. So you do have the Doodle add-on. There is the extra color add-on. So if you want to bring in more of the oranges and the yellows and make it more of a bright kit, you could do that as well. There is the label sampler, the functional, the ombre, and then there is 2 different fashion options. This is fashion option 1 and this is fashion option 2. And I just thought there should be like a lot of options of this girl because she's really, really cute. So you have tons of options, and I love these fun hair color ones because they remind me of like fire hair, or kind of like a Hayley Williams hair almost. So cute, eating the french fries. I am in love. I am obsessed, and I hope that y'all like it too. Now let's go through the next kit here, which I don't even know how to pronounce this. I remember whenever I did the full boxes, I was like, Jess, Kitnish Jess, please help me with a name for this. And she's like, call it this. And I think it's hyacinth. Hyacinth? Is that correct? I'm not sure. It's a really pretty anytime kit. I think it really reads spring, summer, like maybe even a fall transition would be really pretty for Mother's Day, a birthday, anytime, a brunch. I think it's super cute. I love these colors. They're very like vintage and muted. I love these boxes so much. Normally I'm not like huge on feet boxes, but those are really, really cute. Then you have the half boxes, the little things, the solid labels, the pattern labels, the bottom washi with the really cute bed scene, and then you have alternative skin tone boxes for the 2 fashion options here. And then there's also a fashion add-on as well, so lots more. So that is the ultimate kit. I love the colors. It's so pretty. It really reminds me of my mother-in-law because she loves all things like vintage and floral. There is the mini kit as well. And then here is the doodles, the functional page, the label sampler, the ombre heart checklist, and then the fashion boxes if you want to add those on. And then last but not least, such a cute summer kit. This is called Summer Vacay. As of right now, when I'm filming this on Sunday, I have not sneaked this yet, but it is so cute. It reminds me of like Bora Bora, and I love the colors of this and the beautiful like watercolor kind of vibes sunset. It's so cute, and I love the flamingos. These colors are so pretty. They remind me of a summer kit from like 6 years ago. So cute. The like over the water bungalow. This kit, since it is, like these two have been done for a while. So this one here does have the newer rounded box, which I think are so fun. I did sneak those on Instagram. And there are a bunch of kits that still have the other ones, which I do love. And I haven't fully decided like if I'm going to commit to these ones or if I like the other ones. So let me know which ones you like in the comments down below. But I could also post a picture on Instagram showing you what these look like with a sticker on them. I think they're so cute for marking like read or like a shorter word. And then putting a character sticker next to it or just placing it in the center. Solid patterns. This is Bloomstickle, which I haven't used in a long time besides like Monthlies, but I love her art. It's just so pretty, and like the watercolor with the glitter is just a vibe. And then the extra freebie in the mini and the ultimate is the tall box of the palm trees. So cute. Love this one. Perfect for summer. And that is the ultimate kit. But like I said, all of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini. There is the doodle if you want to add it on, the label, the functional, the other fashion options, and then the ombre heart checklist. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. I'm so excited for this Flavor Town kit. I think it's so stinking cute, so fun, and I don't think I've ever seen anybody do a guy kit before, so I'm so pumped about that. And then also the 2 monthlies. Let me know what you think about the dates on the front, and I will try and remember to put what monthlies work with those in the description down below. But that is everything for this week. Like I said, I hope you love this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next video, which will be on Wednesday. And I hope that you have a great week.